Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're back in my mom's boss's garage again, looking today at the Liftmaster half-horsepower screw drive garage door opener. I am doing a quick run of this garage door opener. By the way, I'm using an Olympus Stylus tough waterproof camera, because I wanted to take a video of this garage door opener with this camera. Alright, here's the wall button over there, and now let's open it up. As you can see, I got a genie LED light bulb installed on the garage door opener. Nobody replaced this light bulb, but guess who replaced it? I did, because I wanted to replace the light bulb on this opener because so I can, because I thought it would be better to have it be replaced. Here is the button. It does have a lock button in case if you're going out somewhere far away from your home, like if you're going on a cruise ship or going on, or if you're like going on a cruise ship, or if you're going on a very, very long road trip, or if you're going somewhere far away from your home, or if you're going out somewhere nowhere near your home, or anything else, or something like that. It does have a light button. The light button does work on this garage door opener. Alright, now let's go ahead and close the garage door, and here we go. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video of the Liftmaster half-horsepower screw drive. Don't forget to subscribe and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.